Hey guys, if you're new here, my name is Michaela, and as you can see by the title, today we're going to be doing yet another Shein try-on haul. I know I've been missing for over a month now, but with everything going on in the world, you can give your girl a break. Actually, I have broke out in this rash all over my body. It kind of is very much cringy to talk about, but I wasn't getting in front of nobody's camera. No, like it was literally all over my body, my chest, my stomach, my legs, like it was disgusting. It's called I think pityriasis rosacea. There is no cure and it lasts for up to 3 months. So yeah, I was ugly for a while. And I actually have lots of scarring, which I probably will get to see in this try on haul, but don't judge. Checking them better. I got my confidence back because I will say that it had me feeling like real scared to be in front of, like I said, any camera out in public wearing like stuff like this, revealing shorts. I wasn't doing it. But yeah, like I said, I'm back, and without further ado, let's get into this show. Up first, we got this orange crop top. It's really cute, and it has like a split at the bottom. Super cute. And I've actually never tried it on, so yeah. I got it in a size small. I want to say I got it in a size small. Yeah, size small. It says it's 65% cotton, 35% polyester. So yeah, it's like super stretchy, almost like spandexy material. When I'm looking at it, it kind of looked too big, but watch me put it on and it be too small or fits just right. But yeah, it's like really stretchy. This is that material that look like if you sweat, it's gonna show a stain. So I guess if you like sweat under your boobs or whatever, then it might not be a good material for you. But I don't really sweat under my boobs because I mean, what boobs? But yeah. Okay, so up next I have this. It's another crop top. It's like leopard. This is leopard or cheetah print. I don't know. I don't really know. It's like this, and it ties over the shoulders. It's super cute. I've actually worn this already. And it's like that stretchy material as well. And I didn't wear it with the bra. It's kind of see-through, but you won't able to see like my nipples through it or anything. So super cute. Size small. And yeah, I just wore it with some black shorts. And yeah, it was cute. Perfect for like a little night out. You know, a little something, something. You going to a party or something like that. Easy outfit. Yeah. Okay, so this next item I really thought was gonna be cute, and it's not. So I'm giving it to my little sister. It looked really, I'm not gonna say it looked really cute, but it looked cute in the picture. Can you see the colors? Yeah, it's like tie-dye, so it looks cute in the pictures when I first ordered it, but when it got here, it just wasn't adding up. So yeah, it's just one shoulder. I'm really into one shoulder shirts, so yeah, it's just like one shoulder, and the front should be the back and the back should be the front, if that makes sense. And the color inside of the shirt, y'all, is more vibrant than on the outside. So I was just really confused with this one. This one was a miss for me, but my little sister liked it, so it still can get some use. It says, okay, so yeah, 97% polyester, 3% spandex, and size small, period. So yeah, like I said, it's super stretchy. It's a miss for me, but I mean, someone else might like it. I like the style of the shirt, so yeah. Okay, so this next top, I really liked. My friend told me she didn't like it, but you know, I mean, to each his own. It looks really cute. I'm all about like high neck stuff, like turtlenecks, baby. Yes, I'm about the stuff. Something about stuff being on my neck. It's just like really, I don't know, cute to me. So yeah, this is the top. It has like a crisscross in the front. I don't know if you can see the color. It's like baby blue, kind of like a light teal, light aqua. And so yeah, it goes like this. It's cute. It's cute. I've actually already worn this one too, but it's like, let me see if it has a material inside of the shirts. 70% polyester, 25% cotton. That's what I was gonna say. This is more like cotton, and then 5% spandex. It's also in a size small. But yeah, I think it's really cute. When I had it on, it was super cute, and y'all gonna be able to see it right here. So yeah, really cute. I'm digging it. Shoot. And then the color, Like you can't. Okay, so this next top, I can't remember if I showed y'all this. It actually didn't come with this order, but I got it from Shein by itself. And it's this top right here. I know y'all have seen everybody named Mama in this top, but Shein got it for the cheapest. So if you paid anything more than like maybe $10, then you should have went and got it from Shein. But I don't even think it was $10. But yeah, so it's like this, like a tall, it ties like a halter top, and then it also ties in the back, and it's very, very deep right here. It got the little ring around here, so like your boobs are going to be out, and I mean they're gonna be sitting if you have nice perky boobs. It's a size small as well, and this is more of like cotton, not really like that stretchy material, but it is still stretchy, if that makes sense. So yeah, it's cute. This next top is one of my favorites. First of all, the color is everything. This lavender color, very cute. I'm into like really light colors on my skin. Like you see this white, I like whites. Also like black. Almost every color I like on my skin. I'm not even gonna flex with y'all, but like these light pastel colors, baby, these be it. But this shirt is like gives me 90s vibes, kind of Britney Spears maybe a little bit as well, so maybe early 2000s. I don't know, it gave me a little everything, but it's like it ties around the neck, so it has like a little ruched circle right here, and you could either crisscross it, I guess in the, y'all can't even see, you're gonna be able to see over here. You can either crisscross it in the front, or I guess wear it like regular and then not behind your neck like a regular halter. But super cute, I really like it, love the color, and it has like these the stitching up under the boob. It's really thin material, so I don't know how you feel about that, but it's not see-through. When I go on Shein, I don't be ordering like, oh, just summer clothes, oh, fall clothes, you know what I'm saying? Like, or, oh, let me get this and make sure they all match. Like, I literally just get clothes that I think are cute. Scrolling cute, okay, throw it in the basket, you know what I'm saying? And so with this top, when y'all see the picture, I'm gonna put a picture up here first, because when you see the picture, you're gonna be like, okay, that's cute. But when I got it, like, this just looks like a piece of fabric. Like, it's a scarf. I was very much confused when I got this piece. But when you see it on my body, it took a lot of fixing up and fixer-upping. A lot of fixing up. Wow. I'm slow. But yeah, it took a lot of fixing up. But when you get it the way it's supposed to be, it's super cute. But I don't know how y'all would feel about having to do all of that. Like, I just feel like if I bought something, it should come the way I wanted it to come, or the way it looks in the picture, so then I don't gotta be doing all of that, you know what I'm saying? Like, now we're doing too much. I shouldn't have to make the shirt a shirt, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I can't even really show y'all how it's supposed to look on the body, because girl, I don't know. Anyways, next, so this next top is another staple piece, just something that you would want to have in your wardrobe, you know what I'm saying? You could just wear this with anything, throw it on, dress it up, dress it down, doesn't really matter. But it's just this white long sleeve crop top, one shoulder again, because you know your girl loves one shoulder. So yeah, I really like it. It's cute. It's that super stretchy material, almost like freaking leggings, you know what I'm saying, like workout leggings, size small. And yeah, it's got a lot of spandex in it. It's like coming off a little bit see-through. Can you see it? So I don't know, but I got a strapless bra I could put on here, put under here, so then, like, you know, if something is showing, then it'll be covered up. It's very much, the lining is good. Like, you know, sometimes it comes with like jagged edges and stuff like that. I am here for that. But nah, this one, the stitching's pretty good. Cute. All right, so I forgot to mention that all the stuff comes in these little Shein bags, but for this piece right here, y'all, Shein had me messed up. They had me messed up, and they lucky I was able to fix it. So this is cute. I thought it was super cute. This is just like a sheer dress. I don't know if y'all can see. So yeah, it's like cheetah print, and it has like butterflies on it. Super cute. I thought it was cute. Blue butterflies, and short sleeve, It's not really long, it's short, bodycon. Boom. Cute. Check, check, check. But when it came, I fixed it now. I wish I would have recorded when it first came. When it came, y'all, so like y'all see how this is the sleeve and this is the neck, right? Tell me why when it came, these were sewn together. So when I tried the dress on, literally they were stitched together like this. And I'm thinking like, was there a hole in this? And then y'all tried to resell this dress to me and stitch up the hole, because that's ghetto. But I ended up getting some scissors and, you know, like cutting the thread, you know what I'm saying, to see if there was a hole there or like what was going on. And when I cut the thread, nothing's wrong with the dress. Like, it just looked like it was a mistake, which is fine, because I'm glad there's nothing wrong with the dress, but it's not fine at the same time, because why you sewing with my dress, or why you touching my dress when there's nothing wrong with it? You know what I'm saying? Like, it kind of, I ain't like that, you know what I'm saying? Like, why did I have to, like, once again, why did I have to fix a dress, you know what I'm saying? Or why did I have to fix an item like the shirt? Why did I have to fix it in order for me to wear it? I don't like that. So before I get into the accessories, I just wanted to show y'all this pajama set that I got. Just because, like, when I go on Shein, like I said, I be buying stuff that I don't need. Just if it's cute, throw it in a buggy. Throw it in a buggy. Do y'all call it a buggy or a shopping cart or like a basket? What do y'all call it? Because where I'm from, we say buggy. But yeah, so it's this two-piece set. These are the bottoms. They have lace. It's like stripes, giving very much knockoff Victoria's Secret. But I'm gonna tell you right now that this string right here does not adjust. It's just decoration. But yeah, this is the bottoms. Super cute. And then it came with this top. It's just lace like this. I don't know where I'm going to bed in this. I'm really just going to my own bed by myself. But yeah, it's just like this. And I guess you could wear it with no bra up under it. I mean, if you don't wear a bra, or you could wear a bra up under it, or a tank top. You want to wear it for your man, period. If you don't, you want to wear it to like a girl's sleepover, you know what I'm saying? Ladies be having their own sleepovers. A girl's like, yeah, night, you can do that. Seriously? Okay, so yeah, so I got these sandals. They came in this like box. It said Shein on it, maybe not. Yeah, Shein. And it just has like, you know, the color and stuff, size, blah blah blah. Yeah, boom, these new. So I got these sandals. They look like this. They're like the clear sandals that everybody's into these days. What I will say is that they fit really good, but baby, they hurt. Like this part, let me see if I can see it. So like this part right here is like super sharp. Like they literally just took a strip of plastic, boom, and didn't like try and put anything there so that it wouldn't dig into your foot, if that makes sense. So like that's the only issue that I have. They're comfortable, but they dig into my skin, and I'm not about to be, you know, walking around cutting my feet up over these sandals. So my friend told me that I should just get a blow dryer and melt it down. But once again, here we go, having to fix it up in order to wear it, or for it to be the way I want it to be, when it could just come the way I want it to come. You know what I'm saying? Like, I paid money, so it should be the way that it should be. But yeah, other than that, super cute. I like them. You know, this is like some you can just throw on. You can just throw them on literally with anything. Like, cute outfit, you run out of the house, you going to the grocery store, you know what I'm saying? You could throw it on. So maybe I will take a lighter to them or a blow dryer and melt them down a little bit, see if that works. But if not, then nah, don't even waste your money getting these. But if you into that type of thing, you know, you want to fix them up because they was cheap, then shoot, why not? Okay, so the next thing I got was this belt, which is super cute. I just could not resist, like, when I saw it. It's super cute. I mean, shoot. And I love, like, don't you ever have an outfit that you just be like, a belt would take this to the next level? Baby, this belt right here is gonna take you there. So I just needed something like this in my closet. You know what I'm saying? Let me see if I can see it. Let's see. No, maybe not. It's the diamonds in it. It's shiny so hard they won't even let you be able to. It won't focus on it. Maybe on my hand behind it. Okay, maybe not. They don't want me to be great today. Anyways, there's literally diamonds all throughout it. It's gold and then diamonds all throughout it. And then there's the buckle on this end. There is no like clasp. Is that what it's called? The little pointy thing that you put in the hole for the belt. So like if you just put it through here and then through the other side, it'll hold. And then you can pull it down. You know how to wear the belts like down instead of through the loops of your pants. That's how it will hold, which is fine with me. Like it didn't bother me. At first I was kind of confused, but it didn't bother me once I tried it on, like the belt, that it didn't come with the little pointy thing, because it's super cute. And I mean, I'm trying to tell y'all, like, get you a belt like this. And they have one in silver, and then the one in silver is actually thicker, so this is a thinner one. And then I really might go back and get the silver one, but super cute. Can't beat it. Can't beat the price. Okay, so up next, I decided to get some lashes from Shein, because why not? They were up there and I just wanted to know, like, are these rinky-dink lashes or are these cute? But these lashes that I got, it's in the style 509, and I want to say they were like $2, but baby, I wore these lashes and they were super cute. Like, I just kept getting compliments on my lashes, like, where are your lashes from? Are those individuals? Like, no baby, these are strips from Shein. And $2. Lashes are expensive, so to get some cute lashes for $2, I mean, look, this is still like period. Okay, so as you saw, they all come in those little plastic grab bags, and it kind of look flat right now, which is fine because they do get bigger when you put stuff in them. But I mean, these colors are really cute. I mean, seriously. And then they come with chains, or at least these two do. Like the hot pink one has a little clasp like this, and then you open it. It comes with chains, but I don't think I will wear this as like a body bag because it's so small. I am more of a like, I'm gonna wear this with some heels, cute outfit, and then boom, like this. If I'm going out and I'm not gonna be taking much with me, like this is gonna be my bag. Or if I'm gonna take a picture, period. You know what I'm saying? Like, I feel like it's super cute. Something like that. Like, this is more of like a statement bag, not like I'm trying to lug all my stuff in. Like, your phone is not gonna fit in here, baby. Your keys, they might, unless you got a lot of keys on there. But like your card, some change, like, you know, a couple of dollars, some cash, like, yes baby, it's gonna fit in here. And I love this color, like, super cute. It's got that snake print, period. Can't beat it. And so with this one, it does not come with a chain, so this is more of like I said, like the statement. So you just like turn the little knob and then open it. Actually, this part opens up, and then you open it. And yeah, they're not really that big inside. They're all kind of the same, like this. Like I said, you're not getting much in these, but if you're trying to make a statement, you know what I'm saying, like a little something, period, like, period, fool. And then the green one, same as the pink one, chain inside. I didn't hear the rack rattling around in there. But yeah, like, this is like a statement piece, like, yes honey, check please. But yeah, period. I like it. So that is all for this Shein haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. So if you like this type of video, I can do more. If you like the style that I did this time, I can continue to edit my videos that way. Comment down below if you want to see any different types of videos, or you can also comment down below your favorite piece. Don't forget to hit that post notification bell so you can be notified when I post my next video, because I know that I was off for a month, but baby, I'm back and I'll be posting consistently now. So yes, I will see you guys in my next video.